Welcome to this quick tour of Dubai with us. We'll show you how you can cover the most popular attractions of Dubai in just 4 days.
So guys, ये है हमारा होटल, टावर प्लाजा होटल, एंड इसके बैंक ऑपोजिट ही है द मेट्रो स्टेशन. So very convenient if you wanna go anywhere.
There are a lot of hotels in Dubai due to the number of tourists that they get, but there are 3 most popular areas where you can stay. One is Old Dubai, near Dubai Marina, or near the Burj Khalifa, like where we stayed.
The room's on the 61st floor. There's a sofa, TV, and it's a huge room. And coming onto the views, wow, sea facing. Bathroom पे आते हुए, even the bathroom is massive.
हमने होटल पहुंच के लंच किया और थोड़ी देर रेस्ट करने के बाद we had the entire evening to explore the city. So on day 1 we took the metro and we headed to Dubai Marina. This place is known for the large number of tall buildings in this area, a lot of which are luxury hotels and exquisite residential towers. There are also a lot of restaurants in this area where you can relax and enjoy a nice meal and enjoy the view of this water body in front, and later take a nice long walk along its long promenade. वहाँ से हम चल दिए JBR बीच की तरफ, एंड यहाँ भी रास्ते में बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स दिखे, इंक्लूडिंग an Indian restaurant, and along the way we could see a lot of such expensive cars. ये वाली कार तो मुझे देख के टार्जन दी वंडर कार की याद आ गई. Similar look and color you see.
और हम पहुंच गए JBR the beach.
It's a very lively area, especially in the evening around this time of sunset. A lot of people have come out to the beach and are enjoying the sunset. And again, it's a lot of restaurants and shops where you can while your time away. You can just sit and have fun.
और ये हम हार्बर एरिया के पास पहुंच गए हैं. There's a lot of food stalls over here. फिलहाल थोड़ा खाली माहौल लग रहा है क्योंकि शाम में अभी सिर्फ 7 बजे हैं.
दुबई में मरीना एंड ओल्ड दुबई क्रीक में इवनिंग क्रूजेस चलती हैं, जहां से आप सारे दुबई के व्यूज़ एंजॉय कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. And a lot of these cruises also have an option of buffet dinner. आप इनकी एडवांस बुकिंग ऑनलाइन कर सकते हैं from apps like Klook or Booking.com. It's a wide variety of cruises that you can choose from, and based on your budget and taste, you can select the one that you feel is the best fit for you. The one that we opted for had the buffet dinner option in it, and most of the items were vegetarian. There were some Indian dishes too, but the food was pretty average. The experience, however, overall experience of the cruise was a really good one though, and I recommend that you go for the cruise in Marina because you'll get to see a lot of tall buildings on both your sides, as opposed to the short buildings that you would see in old Dubai Creek. रात को हमने क्रूज से डिबोर्ड किया अराउंड 10:30 PM एंड वी हेडेड बैक टू आवर होटल आफ्टर दैट एंड वी कॉल्ड इट अ नाइट. Good morning and hello to day 2. After enjoying the buffet breakfast and burning some calories at the hotel's gym, we headed out to explore the most popular attraction of the city. Yes, you're right, it's the Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa की एंट्री वाया दुबई मॉल होती है एंड दुबई मॉल इज़ बेसिकली विद इन बुर्ज खलीफा टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. इसके लिए भी आपको टिकट्स परचेज़ करनी पड़ेंगी. ये आप या तो बुर्ज खलीफा की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से परचेज़ कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो फ्रॉम साइट्स लाइक क्लूक और booking.com. बुर्ज खलीफा के ऊपर जाना भी अपने आप में एक यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस है. द लिफ्ट हियर इज़ नॉट लाइक एनी अदर लिफ्ट. इट्स द क्विकेस्ट लिफ्ट इन द वर्ल्ड एंड टेक्स यू अप 124 फ्लोर्स इन जस्ट अबाउट अ मिनट. एंड अंदर आपको ऐसे कमाल के विजुअल्स दिखाए जाते हैं दैट इट कन्वर्ट्स दिस लिफ्ट जर्नी ऑल्सो इनटू अ टाइनी जॉय राइड. The views from above are simply breathtaking. You can see all the tall skyscrapers and the old city from here. You can see the man-made islands in the ocean like Palm Jumeirah from here. The best time to go up is in the evening so that you can enjoy the views in the daylight as well as after the sunset when the tall buildings are all glittering with the lights on.
और हमारे वाउचर में कैफ़े से एक पेस्ट्री भी इंक्लूडेड थी.
There's a lot more to do in the Dubai Mall. You can obviously shop from the hundreds of branded stores, take pictures with this famous waterfall, or check out the huge aquarium which is open to the public. There is skiing, indoor skiing as an option, so you can spend days inside this mall easily. Now it was time for our next attraction, so we headed towards the Atlantis, which is a 5-star hotel on the popular Palm Jumeirah Islands. यहाँ जाने के लिए आपको डायरेक्ट मेट्रो मिल जाती है. However, इसके लिए आपको टिकट सेपरेटली परचेज करने पड़ेंगे और you can take a cab directly to the hotel. But the views from the metro cannot be matched with a cab ride. आप चाहें तो यहाँ स्टे भी कर सकते हैं, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट स्टेइंग लाइक अस तो भी आपके लिए यहाँ पे इंटीरियर्स देखने के लिए आप ज़रूर आ सकते हैं. देयर इज़ एन एक्वेरियम दैट्स इनसाइड, देयर आर सम रेस्टोरेंट्स ऑल्सो इनसाइड एंड बाहर से भी इसके व्यूज़ बहुत कमाल के हैं. In fact, it somewhat reminds me of the Bandra Bandstand in Mumbai and it's a great place to enjoy the sunset. शाम में सनसेट के बाद के लिए हमने ग्लोबल विलेज के टिकट्स ऑलरेडी ऑनलाइन परचेज कर लिए थे. This was a little outside of the city and there are no metros to take you there, so we took a cab to Global Village. There are also some buses which take you there from the main city, which you can consider. Global Village is a huge exhibition where you can find stalls that represent over 80 different countries from all across the globe. Here you can find replicas of the popular monuments and a representation of the architecture of different countries, along with the food from different countries. It was really heartwarming to see the stall of Syria wherein people were singing, dancing and were having a really great time despite of the challenges that their country is going through right now. There were performers from many other countries performing on the central main stage representing their own countries and the culture. Global Village, I believe, is a must for anyone visiting Dubai. You get to see a lot from a different countries while being in a single place. It's day 3 and we are headed to Old Dubai, also known as Bur Dubai. So unlike the Dubai that people know of with the tall skyscrapers, this part of Dubai gives you a glimpse of how the city used to be earlier. यहाँ पर अलसीफ नाम का एक एरिया है जो कि बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है ऑफ द ओल्ड दुबई. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ शॉप्स सेलिंग souvenirs, art pieces, clothes, many restaurants also over here, including a very unique Starbucks. यहीं पे एक क्रीक भी है जिसको क्रॉस करने के दो तरीके हैं. या तो आप यहाँ से मेट्रो ले सकते हैं, नहीं तो आप ले सकते हैं द मोर इंटरेस्टिंग ऑप्शन विच इज़ दिस 1 दिरहम की फेरी, जो आपको विद इन अ फ्यू मिनट्स आपको क्रीक क्रॉस करा देगी जस्ट फॉर 1 दिरहम पर पर्सन. एंड ऑन द अदर साइड यू हैव ऑल दी सूक्स, ऑल दी मार्केट्स. यहाँ आपको मिलेंगे दी गोल्ड सूक, परफ्यूम सूक, स्पाइस सूक, टेक्सटाइल सूक. इन फैक्ट इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेस टू बाई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एज वेल. The gold souk is extremely popular amongst Indians. In fact, a lot of people travel from India to Dubai especially to buy gold from here. The gold here is not only comparatively cheaper as compared to India, but it's pure, and the designs that you can find here are very unique and rare and difficult to find anywhere else. But हाँ, अगर आप यहाँ से गोल्ड लेके जा रहे हो तो please ensure that you purchase them within limits, or else you should declare it in customs on your arrival in India. शाम होते होते यहाँ पर भी भीड़ बढ़ने लगी एंड ओपन एरियाज में म्यूजिकल परफॉर्मेंसेस भी शुरू हो गए. द वाइब ऑफ द प्लेस जस्ट गॉट वेरी डिफरेंट. Next in our list था बुर्ज खलीफा का फाउंटेन शो. Now there are multiple shows between 6 p.m. and 11 p.m. wherein Burj Khalifa is decorated with lights and there's a fountain show right outside of it. But the timings change every year based on the days and based on the months. So please check it out before you go. The water jets here go up as high as 50 floors height. And it's the largest and the tallest fountain in the entire world. So if you're visiting Dubai, this has to be on your list. Today is the last day of our trip, and today we are going to see one of the newest additions to the list of attractions in Dubai, Museum of the Future. It is by far the prettiest building in entire Dubai, and would you believe it, it has 7-floor museum inside it. The museum focuses on how the world would look like in future, covering topics like outer space, technology, health, transportation and a lot more. The tickets here sell out pretty quickly, so you need to book them at least a few weeks in advance online. And if you don't have a booking, or if you are short on time, you can still visit the lobby and you can take photos with this amazing building just like how we did it. Any trip to Dubai is incomplete without a desert safari. There are a lot of portals online selling this desert safari experience. There are multiple options that you can choose from, varying from whether you want a private vehicle or you want a shared vehicle. You want it with barbecue dinner or without one. You want an evening experience or a morning one with very less crowd. So you can look at the multiple options that are available and choose which is the most suitable for you. I always stress Thrilophilia, Klook, Booking.com. These sites for booking such experiences have never disappointed me. We purchased the passes which included the dune bashing in this open red sand desert, which is about a couple of hours outside of the main city. The guide was a super helpful Pakistani person. He kept us entertained throughout the journey. He helped us take some extremely memorable photos. I would give him a complete 5 out of 5 stars. We left the hotel about 2 p.m. and we had lunch before leaving, so it is advisable to not to have a very heavy meal before the dune bashing experience so that you don't end up puking. And after dune bashing, we were taken to this campsite nearby where we enjoyed the beautiful sunset. We were offered some starters also, and after the sunset there was a buffet dinner that opened up for everybody. The camp was not at all overcrowded, which was great, and there were plenty of options for vegetarians also. There were some performances as well while we enjoyed our dinner, and there was a fire show at the very end, which was the perfect ending to this amazing trip. Dubai is a great place for a quick trip from India for anyone, and you can easily procure the visa also online from portals like Make My Trip. So it makes up for a great short trip for like a long weekend maybe. And I hope you found this video useful. Please like, share and subscribe to support us, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Until then, keep traveling, keep exploring and keep wandering.